Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Alright, y'all, these are the seasonings I'm going to use. Accent, yellow mustard, Morton seasoning salt, complete seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, no salt, all-purpose flour, and vegetable oil. Today my husband is having an actual football game party with his family, friends, whatever. But guess what? I am about to make some chicken, some mustard fried chicken, wingdings. So I'm going to show you the steps with my voiceover. Alright, all-purpose flour. I'm going to put it in a plastic bag. It's about gone. I might as well use the whole bag. Get rid of it. It's over for it. Yep, all gone. See? Not much. Pull this camera a little close so you guys can see. I'm going to season it first with the garlic powder. Alright, I was about to add the garlic powder, but I had to stop because there's still water in there from when I washed the chicken earlier. So I'm going to drain this. Make sure there's no more water at the bottom. Then I'm going to add my garlic powder. Don't want the chicken to be too watery. Now I'm going to add the accent to enhance the flavor. And you can add as much as you like. I mean, do it to your liking. I'm going to add some complete. I don't have a certain amount that I add. I just pour. Just for to season my chicken. Make sure it's seasoned properly. And tasty. Now I'm going to add some more seasoned salt. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. This is actually a grinder, so I'm going to have to grind the pepper out. Make sure everything comes out. Get enough pepper on that chicken. Look at those hands moving. Getting that pepper out. Yep. Now I'm going to add French's mustard. Mix all the seasonings together first. Make sure it's all over the chicken. Gotta dig in deep. Make sure it gets all over the chicken wingdings. I think that's about enough. The chicken smells so good with the seasonings. I'm loving it. Look at it, all seasoned up. Now I'm going to add my French's mustard. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. Now I'm going to pour. Yep. Make sure I have enough in there so it covers every piece of the wing thing. Yep, and continue to mix it. French's yellow mustard, classic yellow mustard. All right, I am just about done mixing. And grab my black bag of flour. Put some seasoning salt to the flour to make sure the flour is seasoned. Adding some seasoning salt right to the flour. Look at it. Yep. Make sure this chicken is well seasoned. Now I'm going to add some complete. Not much, but I did add some. Now the garlic powder. Yep. Added it. Powder, garlic powder almost gone. Shake the bag continuously. Make sure all the seasons are mixed in with the flour. Then I'm going to start adding the chicken to the bag. Make sure the flour gets all over the chicken. I can add a lot of pieces of chicken because they're small wingdings, so I'm just going to add enough. And shake the bag. Make sure the flour get all over the chicken wingdings. Yep, you see that? I'm going to add a little bit more because I still have room. I'm going to put it as much as I can in the bag, so I don't have to keep going back and forth, back and forth. I could just add to the pot. That's all I need to do. Look at it shaking. Just shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, I think I got a hole in the bag. Take this glove off. Get some vegetable oil. Add it to the pot. Put enough in there to make sure it's going to fry properly. Hands already washed and clean. Put on a medium heat. Yep. The chicken sitting in a bag. I will add the chicken to the grease once it gets hot and ready to fry. Alright, the grease is actually, I had to add another bag to it because I did have a hole in there. I knew it was there. I should have just put it in the bag. Now I'm going to shake it a little bit more. Shake the excess flour off the chicken. The grease is actually ready. See it frying? It's ready. Make sure you shake all the excess flour off of the chicken. Look at that chicken. Well shaken. I can use one more piece of chicken in this grease. Have enough room for one more. grab this pot, show you I still have chicken left over. I'm gonna add the rest of the chicken to the flour because I have enough room now since I emptied the rest of the chicken out. Put the rest of the chicken in the pot. Now I'm gonna shake this, make sure it has enough flour over the rest of the chicken. And all the chicken is ready to go in the grease. It smells so good already. I'm actually going to pull it closer so you guys can see it frying. Look at that chicken. That chicken is frying, baby. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at that. Golden brown. Look at that fried chicken, y'all. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit those post notification buttons so you'll know when my next video upload. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.